Hello, I'm Isabella's evil twin. You can call me that for now. My name currently is not important. But for now, I am going to be giving you a brief explanation of why it is very important to pay attention to things like, say, your Wi-Fi router's default login information. It's probably still admin and password, isn't it? Oh, what's the harm in that? No one will ever figure out how to deal with that, right? I'll also only have to pay attention if someone's close to the house or something like that, I'm sure. Oh, no, no, no. That is not at all the case, unfortunately. It is much more dangerous for you to be doing such a thing than you originally thought. Let me explain. This is a site called Shodan.io. Yes, it is named after the old System Shock AI, or at least as far as I can tell it is. So this site is, as it calls itself, the search engine for refrigerators, power plants. Basically, it is the search engine for the Internet of Things, as it just popped up as I said that. Perfect timing. Anyway, what is intriguing about this site is it is able to basically, if we click explore here, you could also type in here if you know what you're doing, but webcams. You can search for webcams. You can also, this is what I was just talking about before, you can search by default password. And I'm not going to scroll down because I want to block these IP addresses in post so that you all can't actually go and access these immediately. I mean, I can't stop you from going to the site itself and doing it. But as you can see right here, this place uses the default name of admin, and then password is 1234. So it's either going to be that usually, or admin and password. So again, just don't keep the defaults, because like you could absolutely find someone still using this and then sign into their router. Now that would be illegal, so don't. But this could be used for penetration testing and a bunch of other things. Like, there is really a lot of crazy stuff here. Like, there's an exploit search. I'm not going to type anything in here, but there's so much crazy things that you can do with Shodan. It is, like, I only understand a fraction of how Shodan works, but it is truly, truly fascinating and also rather scary. Like webcams here. We'll pop this one. So I'm going to block the IP up here, but this is, we found an actual webcam here, and like you could absolutely go username and password onto this thing and sign in and access the webcam if you knew a username and a password. It's not clear here. It's not going to tell you how to sign into this here, but some of these actually are just completely done live without any actual authentication to get into it, which is crazy to me. And here, I'm going to show you a crazy news article here. Shodan.io traffic lights. Shh. Typing is absolutely terrible. Okay, let's see. Let's find the news article here. Here it is. I think this is it. Okay. I guess it's not fine. I will explain it myself. Basically, I saw a news article a couple of years back where someone was using Shodan, and they figured out that their local city's traffic light infrastructure was non-encrypted and just completely accessible through this, and someone could have completely shut down the entire city's infrastructure because it was connected to the Internet of Things without any sort of protection in the slightest. So someone with mm, some bad intent, perhaps, could have done some very, very bad things. Now, I may be the evil twin, but does that mean I'm going to go do evil things? I don't know. I do know about this site after all. But yes, what I do mean is please take your self security seriously and never, never use the default passwords to anything. It is a very, very bad idea. Also, maybe you'll second guess shoving your entire house full of Internet of Things objects, because there is a saying, a connected world is a vulnerable world. If you have all of your stuff connected to one account, what happens if someone, breaks into that one account? That's why I'm not particularly a fan of those sites that save all your passwords, unless one of them wants to reach out to me and prove how it's way more secure to use all of my passwords in one location. um, it's going to be a bit of an uphill battle unless they can prove that it's actually significantly more secure. Because if their systems get compromised, all of your systems are compromised. But, you know, why take a girl that you've literally just met's word for something? Maybe I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye bye. I'll let Isabella back.